How to recover deleted WhatsApp call history or restore WhatsApp call history. Now, this process is very easy. So, say for example, you've already deleted a certain calls on your WhatsApp. I'm going to be doing it right now. Just simply tapping and holding on your WhatsApp application icon and then head into the I information and then storage. So let's clear data and then let's clear cache. Now, say for example, you already deleted those. All you can do to recover it is just by simply pulling up your file manager or My Files if you're using Samsung device. And from here, just go to the search box and immediately type WhatsApp. Now, this is the main folder of WhatsApp. All you have to do is to open up com.whatsapp and go to WhatsApp again, and then go to databases. And these are all the files that you've deleted, included with the calls, messages, and all. All I have to do is to copy all of them, then go back, go to backups, and paste it here. Once you've successfully pasted it, all those deleted voice chats and all you've done directly from WhatsApp application will be recovered. And that's it. It's how you recover deleted WhatsApp call history or restore WhatsApp call history.